So, I've been using Samsung Galaxy M21 for about a year now. So before moving on to the video guys, I create this valuable content every Monday for you guys. So consider subscribing to the channel and sharing this to as many people as you can. It really helps me out guys. So let's move back to the video. And in this video we're going to be discussing if the phone gets slow, if the phone lags, how's the display, and of course how's the battery. But before that, my name is Microtech, and if you like my content, a sub to the channel would be really appreciated. So let's get started. So talking about the display, Samsung Galaxy M21 has a 6.4-inch Super Amoled display. So this display is already really hard to find in this price range, and the quality is not that bad. It's really good AMOLED, the colors really stand out, and the display is really vibrant. Along with this AMOLED panel, this phone also comes with a 6000 mAh battery. So 6000 mAh battery, that's a massive battery. And even with a 6000 mAh battery, the phone does not feel that heavy and is not that not so thick in the design, so that's a good part in Samsung. And the phone weighs around 188 grams, so comparing, or let's considering the hardware, it's not that heavier side. Now talking about the software, this phone runs on Android 10 with One UI 2.5, and for those of you who don't know Samsung software, it's quite good. It's I think the number 2 best software, first being Oxygen OS and second being this Android. So that's that. So talking about the sensors in the phone, I believe this phone has all the sensors required for the phone currently. So it has a fingerprint sensor firstly, and it has all the pattern pins, that's a common thing. It has got the fingerprint, and it has also got face unlock. So I'll just try the face unlock here. Yeah, you can see that it's quite fast. Face unlock is also quite fast. I'm gonna try it again. So all over you can have 3 securities. I have my pin, my fingerprint, and my face unlock. So more security, more better guys. So this phone has volume up and down button at the side along with power button, and has speakers, charging port, headphone jack at the bottom, SIM card tray at the side, and microphone at the top. So now guys, talking about the storage option in this phone. This phone comes in 2 storage options. One is 464, another is 6128. Now if you do not do much multitasking and a high RAM consuming activity, I would suggest you to go for 464, as if you're not a heavy gamer, you don't need much RAM, and if you do not do very heavy multitasking, then you don't need much RAM. Talking about the storage, it has micro SD card slot, so storage, you are good for that. So 4GB 64 is cheaper than 128 obviously, so I think 664 is the way to go. Now talking about the chip in this phone, this phone is powered by Exynos 9611, which is Samsung's own chip, their own Exynos brand, and this chip is very capable, and it's a multitasking chip guys. It was made to do multitasking. It is based on 10 nanometer fabrication, so it will be battery efficient, and this clips will show you how the performance of the chip is. This phone supports PUBG till HDR setting with high frame rate, but I would not suggest you to play in HDR setting because there might be frame drops in that setting, but I would like you to recommend to play in smooth or balanced setting with high frame rate. In smooth and balanced high frame rate, you will get very less frame drop compared to HDR, and above HDR, as you can see, it is not supported. The option will be available in your device soon, but I have a hunch that it will never be available in this phone. So guys, talking about Asphalt 9, this phone, as you can see it for yourself, does not run the crispiest and the highest graphics in this phone, but I think it's quite good here. Asphalt 9 runs quite nicely, or let's say smoothly in this phone without much of a frame drops. So that's nice, and I love this game by the way. So at the front, Galaxy M21 has 20 megapixels, and at the back, talking about the design, I think Samsung should improve a little more on their design. But they have a triple rear camera, which is a 48 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and 8 megapixel ultra wide. So I don't think the photos are very good, but the photos are quite impressive for this range, and video quality is also good. You can check it out for yourself. This is the video shot from M21. I'm wearing a mask so my voice can be a bit low, but as you can see, the video quality looks very nice and you can hear my voice too. That shows the microphone quality too. This video is shot at Ultra HD, which is 4K. Hello guys, this is the video taken from front camera, and I think the video quality is okay. It's a 20 megapixel sensor, so that's that, and you can hear my voice too. So guys, now talking about the phone. So I've used the phone for a year now, and I have not seen any sort of a lag and any sort of slowness in the phone. But this phone has a 6.4-inch Super Amoled display. That has not changed. It has got a 6000 mAh massive battery. That's not changed. This phone still has a capable chip of Exynos 9611, which is still not out of date. And this phone is a very good all-rounder phone. It's got a little bit of everything here. So if you are a very heavy gamer, I think I would not suggest this phone to you because it has not got the best chip in the world. But if you do not do much multitasking, or if you even do a bit heavy multitasking and you love to watch movies, I think the phone is best for you. I cannot recommend any good phone. If you are a multimedia type of person, then there's no phone good than you in the market right now. So that much will be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you love my content, a sub to the channel would be very appreciated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is me, Microtech, signing out. Peace out.